Filipino proverbs for everyday life. The Filipino culture is saturated with all kinds of traditions, beliefs, and superstitions, many of which are either illogical or impractical. Despite this, it's also rich in proverbs that contain ageless wisdom, known as salawikain in Tagalog. Filipino proverbs are bits and pieces of knowledge passed down orally from one generation to another. Their main purpose is to relate perceptions and little truths that have been tested through times. There are many things from my childhood I will never forget. Among them are the Filipino proverbs that were taught to me by my parents and elders, and the one I read from the once popular Tagalog children's magazine, Pambata, which featured a comic strip entitled Mga Salivikain ni Lolo Brigido. In this video, allow me to share with you some of the most celebrated proverbs that Filipino have grown to love over the years. Ang kapaitan ng pag-aaral ay mas kanais-nais kaysa kapaitan ng kamangmangan. The bitterness of studying is preferable to the bitterness of ignorance. Whatever you do, think about it 7 times. Ano man ang gawin, 7 beses iisipin. This old Filipino saying is a reminder that every action has a consequence. Filipinos are known for being procrastinators, but we can be impulsive in many ways as well. Filipino parents who have grown in wisdom often use these very proverbs to tell their young and more daring offspring not to be hasty when making decisions. Huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Bago ka mag-desisyon, mag-isip ka muna ng 7 beses. Ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. He who forgets where he came from will never reach his destination. These proverbs is usually attributed to Dr. Jose Rizal, although there's evidence it didn't originate from him. There is no question that this is one of the most popular Filipino proverbs, and one that often on the lips of Filipino people. There are several ways it can be interpreted, but many people use it to refer to the importance of repaying a favor. Matuto kang lumingon sa pinanggalingan mo. Kung hindi dahil sa akin, hindi ka aasenso ng ganito. Learn to look back where you came from. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be as you are today. Ang karanasan ay mabuting guro. Experience is the best teacher. Probably every culture has a version of these proverbs. It reminds us that life is a series of experiences, a series of learning opportunities. Ayaw mo kasing makinig, kaya ngayon, ang pinagdaanan mo na ang nagturo sa iyo. You didn't want to listen, so now your experience become your teacher. Sila!